everyone, welcome back to my channel. Jannath here. In today's video, let's quickly look at an eye makeup tutorial using my favorite Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. If you guys want to know how I created this look, then let's start right away. Before the tutorial, I want to show you guys how beautiful and gorgeous this palette looks. It has amazing glittery shimmer shades along with very intensely pigmented matte shades. I love the shade ranges and I got this palette from Nika, which is priced at Rs 4,850. And I also got Huda Beauty Scarlett Lashes number 8 for a pricing of Rs 1,350. I didn't pay anything for the shipping as I'm a Prime member. And that's the very first look of the palette when I opened it. These shades look stunning, guys, believe me. I'm also going to be showing you the lashes. If you guys are interested in creating a very dramatic look, then this is the perfect one. Alright, so to begin my eye makeup look, I'm mixing up two shades which are mattes. They are Amber and Saffron on my transition, for which I'm using the Morphe brushes. And then I'm going to create a very slim line over the transition using the matte shade Out. For this, I'm using a random brush which I got from Amazon. And then it's time to cut crease, for which I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C8. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to replicate the same for my other eye as well off the camera, and then going to pop on the shimmer shade on top of the cut crease. This shade Celestial, which is the first one in the second row of this palette, is gorgeous. Look at that. I'm using my finger to apply this shade as I found it more easy and comfortable than using a brush. I wanted to extend and drag this eyeshadow to create a winged shape, hence I went on and on. I'm sure you can see that. Once I'm done with it, I'm going to quickly go off the camera to complete my eyeliners. And then popping in the same transition shades on my lower eyelid as well and blending it smoothly using the same random brush. It's now the time to grab my lashes, after which I'm going to work on the inner corner and the brow bone. For this, I'm using the shade Nefertiti, which does have a very minute fall off, but I think you can manage based on the density that you want to go in for. By the way, the palette that I hold in my other hand is the Gleaming Gold Highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution. With this, we have come to the end of this look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, which would mean a lot to me, and share in your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. Please do click the red color subscribe button below if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. For all the other product details to create this look, please do refer the description box of this video. And here comes the closer look of the eye makeup. I shared this in my Instagram post, Instagram videos and Instagram stories, for which you guys gave me huge compliments. And thank you so much. Please do continue to support me. And guys, importantly, this was a very first video, in fact the very first time in my life that I wore lens, and these are powerless lens from Fresh Look in the shade grey. With that, we have come to the end of this video. See you soon in another one quickly, and last but not the least, give this video a thumbs up. With that, this is Jannath saying bye.